Hi, my name is Matt Buckley. I'm the principal at Carver Elementary School. Today we are working on a tabletop exercise to kind of explore different scenarios or to see what we can do to proactively plan on our response to that scenario. It's really important for us to pull our team together at the school. For me today, that includes my school counselor, it involves my secretary, and our neighborhood school resource officer from Yuma Police Department is joining us today as well. So we can plan together on how we're going to best respond to an emergency situation.
Thank you for your time. We are going to be going through a tabletop activity in which we are going to be looking at a particular scenario, an emergency scenario, and we're going to be talking about what we do. There will be specific questions for each piece of the scenario that you will be talking about at your individual tables. So we have the time, we have the date, we know it's a chemical spill, we know we're supposed to go into lockdown mode until we hear further instructions, right? Where will you establish your command post for this incident? After establishing command, what will you do first and why? What is your first concern in this situation? For what contingencies must you plan? And how will you communicate with media and first responders and parents?
Right now our school is talking about looking at a scenario for a chemical spill, and our leadership team is working through the plan on how to deal with this scenario.
Maybe even putting something under doors and just to make sure that.
So then that I think would be our next step.
Yeah, that would be that.
We need to know, we need to be in contact and have direct contact with a representative from YPD and or the bigger ICS.
Right.
Because if we need to evacuate to a different location, where those locations are at. Right? So depending upon what situation we're dealing with, if it's a regional thing, we may need to leave Yuma to go out east, which is why Casadoma is listed as an example. Right?
Correct.
What will you do first? You need to find out what kind of spill it is.
Right.
Secondly, by that, it looks like we're going to have to take a look at any first aid issues that come up by the lockdown.
Hi, I'm Kendra Holland. I'm the secretary at Casadoma Middle School. And I am so excited to be part of this table talk today, just to talk about school safety. The kids and my fellow co-workers are extremely important to me, and it's important that we be involved so that we can help carry out any type of plan should something catastrophic happen.
One of the things that we're doing as a DIRT team member, which is the District Emergency Response Team, is that we're trying to build scenarios, real life scenarios. Like for instance, in this one is possible chemical spills. How would that team or that school be able to respond to get the parents to know what we are doing to keep their children safe, to keep them aware of what we're going to do, if we have to evacuate, where we're going to evacuate, and get all the team players as a liaison on getting this done in a safe manner and that everyone's aware of what we're doing.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Crozet. I am the health aide at Sunrise Elementary School. We are here discussing emergency response. I am very pleased with being invited. I do believe that it's important to have the health services here, as we are part of the community and will be one of the front lines of defense.
Hi, I'm Connie Newman and I am the guidance counselor at Ron Watson Middle School, and I'm glad that I was invited to participate in this because I think that my position brings the aspect of the whole school. I interact with all teachers and students. We also have skills to help people with anxiety and newness and anxiousness. So I think it's good to be here so that we can add that aspect to our conversations.
Hi, my name is Thad Dugan. I am the principal from Gila Vista Junior High School, and today we are doing a practice exercise regarding emergency procedures and student safety procedures when there are emergencies. One of the reasons that this is really important is because it allows us as a team to sit down and try to be proactive about some of the structures that we put in place in case of emergency. So we're talking through several scenarios, and then after each scenario we add an additional scenario, and sometimes that changes our plans. So being able to do that with a team from the school and a team from the district office just puts us all on the same page.